Hello, my name is Rogers from Ilya, Africa, and today we're gonna write a C program that prompts the user to enter two numbers and calculate the sum of the two numbers and display the output. We're gonna write a C program. And remember that C is a case sensitivity language, so we're gonna need to be extra careful and just so we won't make mistakes. So make sure you watch until the very end and watch close just so you can understand. So we're gonna write a C program today. Be careful. Alright, let's go. So a C program obviously begins with this one here, a preprocessor command. Hashtag include, and we have standard input output header file. Always appears at the top of every C program, so it's mandatory. When you're writing the C program, you should include this preprocessor command. So preprocessor command tells the compiler to do preprocessing before doing the actual compilation. And after that, I'm gonna pull this here. It's also mandatory. It's a function called main. It's very important to include this function here. It shows the beginning of a program, of a C program. So, and since we are dealing with numbers, this function here is gonna return an integer. It's a variable. So, I'm gonna include integer here. Be careful. It should be small letters. So let's start writing the main code. I'm gonna need to open with curly braces like this. And now we're gonna write here print function. Open the brackets. This will be displayed on the screen, which prompts the user to enter the two numbers to be added. So let's write enter the numbers to be calculated. I'm gonna put this here, colon, and we need at least two numbers. We have num1 and num2. We got this. It's also important. Let's close this one here, semicolon. It's very important. Should not forget that. Now I'm gonna pull now scan function, and this one is very important. Its function, it prompts the user to type in the numbers on the keyboard. So it's gonna be a specifier. The format specifier is where the first number will be stored in the C program. That's how we write it. Close again. We said we need two numbers, so again scan function, format specifier, num2. Should not forget this. It's very important. So after that, we're going to add the two numbers down here, num1 plus num2. Close again. Shouldn't forget this. Now we're going to output the sum of the two numbers. So we're gonna use print function. Gonna use print function and output the two numbers, the sum of the two numbers. Sum of the two numbers. is num. Of course, it's gonna return a number, so I'm gonna write number right there. And now again, I'm gonna finish the program like this. Return 0, and now the curly braces. Return 0 shows that the program was executed successfully. So guys, that's how we write a C program to calculate the sum of two numbers. Thank you so much for staying up to the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. I appreciate it. Love.